Hey there! Today I'm going to show you a video on how I replace my ThinQ LG water filter. They recommend you do this every 6 months. First, you're going to want to purchase the LG water filter. I recommend getting the actual LG one through the website. If you order both the water filter and the air filter, have it pre-ordered, you get a really good discount. At least, so that's what I do. It just orders them both every 6 months. So this is the package of the LG water filter that you get through LG website. And then it comes in a package and it looks like this. I already removed the plastic. So this is where we're going to replace this. You're going to remove the top. And this is what your filter would look like. So then we'll head over to the fridge. And at the top left, at least for my model, this is where you'll find your water filter. So you just have to pull down. First time might be tough, but you're gonna wanna pull down like this, and then this will come down, and then you're just gonna, I forget, oh yeah, so just gonna turn it counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and then it'll pop out. This is your old one. So you're gonna wanna put this to the side, and then you're gonna wanna put your new one in. So you're gonna remember to take the cap off. You're just gonna put it right in here, and righty-tighty. Once it's in there tight, lift it up, and then you're just gonna put it there. You're gonna wanna, oh, one thing you'll notice, I actually have my air and my water. So this here is the notification for the water filter. It says, hey, replace it. This is notification for the air filter. Hey, replace it. So once you replace it and you put it in, you're just gonna wanna hold this. Oops, sorry. You're gonna push right here. Just hold it for 5 seconds. And the warning goes away. Anyway, so that's how I replace my water filter. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks.